Welcome to Nirvana Travel, your gateway to breathtaking destinations around the globe. In the heart of the Philippines, surrounded by a sea so clear it seems to glow, lies a small island that has captivated the world. Boracay, just 7 kilometers long and barely a kilometer wide at its narrowest point, has become synonymous with paradise. With powder-fine white sands, calm turquoise waters, and a tropical rhythm that invites you to slow down and breathe deeply, this island is far more than just a postcard-perfect getaway. Once a quiet, almost hidden fishing village, Boracay rose to international fame in the 1990s and early 2000s as a dream destination, but fame brought challenges. In 2018, the island underwent a remarkable transformation. Tourism was paused, beaches were cleaned, infrastructure reimagined. Today, Boracay is not just beautiful, it's a model for sustainable island tourism, balancing growth with environmental preservation. In this in-depth journey, we'll explore the island's pristine beaches, thrilling activities, and tranquil escapes. You'll discover essential travel tips, learn how to get here, and uncover why Boracay continues to enchant travelers from around the world. This is not just a travel guide. This is Boracay, as you've never seen it. Boracay may be small, but it holds multitudes. The island itself is shaped like a butterfly, wings of white sand spread out on either side of a thin middle. Its western coast is calm and serene, kissed by sunsets, while the eastern shores are wild, windy, and filled with motion. At the heart of it all lies the iconic White Beach, a 4-kilometer stretch of pure flowery sand and warm shallow waters. Here, time seems to slow. During the day, the atmosphere is laid back, the soft rush of waves, children playing in the shallows, the occasional sailboat gliding across the horizon. But as the sun begins to drop, the island changes. The shoreline glows with golden hues, and an energy awakens with live music, dancing silhouettes, and a festive spirit that lingers into the evening. Yet White Beach is only the beginning. Further north, Puka Shell Beach offers a wilder, more untouched setting. Named for the naturally occurring puka shells scattered along its shoreline, it's quieter and less crowded, a place where you can feel the raw, unfiltered pulse of Boracay. Waves crash louder here, the sand is coarser, but the charm is undeniable. Nearby, Punta Bunga Beach unfolds in quiet elegance. Secluded and pristine, it's a lesser-known sanctuary where turquoise waters meet a serene stretch of sand, tucked away behind rocky outcrops and lush vegetation. Just around the bend, Banyugan Beach reveals its own rhythm. It's small, calm, and deeply peaceful, a place often shared with just a handful of people. The kind of beach where you bring a book and lose track of time. Diniwid Beach is another gem, carved into a cove just north of White Beach. Intimate and relaxed, it offers a gentler pace. The waters here are calm and shallow, the scenery framed by palm trees and cliffs, perfect for a quiet afternoon dip. On the island's northeastern side lies Iligan Beach. Remote, raw, and stunning in its natural state. There are no crowds here, just rugged cliffs, drifting sea breeze, and waves that roll in unfiltered from the Pacific. It's a place that feels like Boracay before it became famous. And then there's Bulabog Beach, where calm gives way to chaos in the most exhilarating way. Located on the eastern coast, Bulabog is Boracay's adrenaline zone. When the winds pick up, so do the sails. It's where you come to fly, to kitesurf, parasail, or ride the wind in any way you can. Adventure pulses through Boracay's waters. Traditional Bunga boats, their outriggers balanced like wings, offer the most immersive way to explore. These boats glide effortlessly over turquoise waves, whisking you away to hidden coves and snorkeling spots, where vibrant marine life darts between coral gardens beneath the surface. But Boracay also thrills. Kitesurfers dance with the wind, especially along Bulabog Beach, where the breeze is consistent and the energy electric. Bright kites fill the sky, pulling surfers across the sea at exhilarating speeds. From higher up, parasailing offers another kind of rush, not from speed, but from perspective. Suspended in the air, the island unfolds beneath you like a living painting, turquoise lagoons, clusters of boats, and the endless shimmer of sun on water. And if you simply want to sail, there are countless opportunities. Whether it's a guided tour or a spontaneous hop across the coastline, sailing in Boracay is more than transport. It's experience, freedom, and perspective all in one. For those seeking stillness, Boracay is equally generous. Lounge on the beach, listen to the rhythm of the waves, sip something cool, and let the sun melt your stress away. This island has perfected the art of doing nothing. As the day winds down, Boracay gifts one last spectacle. Sunsets here are sacred. The sky erupts in hues of fire and gold, melting into purples and indigos as the island exudes a soft glow. Evenings are not just about nightlife. They're about atmosphere, togetherness, and the shared wonder of nature's closing act. Planning a trip to Boracay is easier than ever, but a bit of knowledge goes a long way. The best time to visit is during the dry season, from November to May. December to April is peak season, with sunny skies, calm seas, and daily temperatures averaging 28 to 32 degrees Celsius, 82 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. The wet season from June to October brings occasional storms and heavier rain, but also fewer tourists and lower prices. To get here, most travelers fly into either Cataclan Airport, just a short boat ride from the island, or Calibo International Airport, which is further away but often more affordable. From the airport, transfers are well organized. Vans or tricycles bring you to the port, then a quick ferry to the island completes the journey. Accommodations are abundant and varied. From simple beachfront bungalows to luxurious cliffside villas, Boracay caters to all tastes. Whether you're a backpacker or honeymooner, there's a place for you. A stay of 4 to 6 days allows for a full experience without rushing. Budgeting for Boracay can vary widely depending on how you like to travel, but here's a general idea to help you plan. For budget travelers, daily expenses can be as low as $30 to $50. That typically includes a shared hostel or simple guest house, local street food or casual dining, and a few low-cost activities like beach visits or tricycle rides around the island. For mid-range travelers, expect to spend between $70 to $120 per day. This usually covers a comfortable hotel near the beach, meals at a mix of casual and tourist-oriented restaurants, a day of island hopping, or a water sport like paddleboarding or parasailing. If you're opting for luxury, daily costs can range from $150 to $300 or more, especially if you're staying at a beachfront resort, dining at upscale restaurants, booking private boat tours, or indulging in spa treatments and exclusive experiences. It's a good idea to factor in extra for airport transfers, environmental fees, and spontaneous adventures. Boracay tends to surprise you in the best ways. Boracay's commitment to sustainability is serious. Visitors are expected to follow rules aimed at protecting the environment. Single-use plastics are banned. Smoking and drinking are restricted in public beach areas. Dispose of waste properly, avoid stepping on coral reefs, and always swim in designated areas. The goal is simple: to leave no trace behind and help preserve Boracay's beauty for generations to come. If you ever face an emergency during your visit, you can contact the police by dialing 117 or by reaching out to the local station. For medical assistance, you can head to the Boracay Clinic or call 911. In case of fire emergencies, dial 160 or get in touch with the nearest local fire department. Local currency is the Philippine peso. Credit cards are widely accepted in resorts and larger establishments, though cash is handy for small vendors. Tipping is appreciated but not mandatory. Rounding up or offering 5 to 10% is common. English and Filipino are widely spoken, and the locals are known for their hospitality. Greet with a smile, respect local customs, and dress modestly when away from the beach. For packing, stick to the essentials: light breathable clothes, swimwear, eco-friendly sunscreen, a reusable water bottle, and toiletries that don't harm marine ecosystems. Visa requirements vary. Many nationalities can enter visa-free for 30 days, but always check current regulations before booking. Boracay is more than a destination, it's a state of mind. A place where beauty, adventure, and culture come together under the tropical sun. It offers world-class beaches, thrilling activities, and a renewed promise to protect what makes it so extraordinary. If you've ever dreamed of white sands and turquoise seas, now's the time to plan your journey. Let us know in the comments. What part of Boracay are you most excited to explore? Or if you've been, what was your favorite moment? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next journey. Until next time, keep exploring and happy travels.